Welcome to Studio Effects Workflows from Rebelway. In this course, Senior Effects TD Hernan Llano will explain how professional studios approach complex VFX projects. Hernan will share secrets he's learned during his time at major VFX studios. His insights stem from his experience as an effects TD at DNEG, effects supervisor at Framestore, and his current position as a senior effects TD at ILM. This is the world's first course designed to turn effects artists into lead effects artists. The course will start by explaining how to tackle VFX problems and think algorithmically. In our first scene, we'll explore advanced concepts like matrix extractions, HDA development, and the RBD framework. This workshop will primarily focus on large-scale destruction and rigid bodies. We will also create custom solvers and HDAs for our scene that mimic real-world production environments. We'll take an in-depth look at ground fracturing, along with complex tree development for CG scenes. Later in the course, we'll prep and analyze even more scenes, giving you the ability to practice the techniques for yourself and build a killer demo reel. By the end, you'll have a foundational understanding of how studios approach complex effects projects. You'll also be ready to implement the concepts on your next major studio gig. This is your chance to learn from a VES award-winning artist. If you've ever wanted to go from artist to lead artist, this course was made specifically for you. You can learn more about the course and see if it's a good fit for you over on Rebelway. Once a rebel, always a rebel.